Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest and greatest in beauty to help you look and feel your best. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to tackle fine lines, wrinkles, and crepey skin with some serious anti-aging power. The BODY FIRM Crepe Erase 4-in-1 Line Smoothing Capsules. With 30 capsules per bottle, each packed with hyaluronic acid and multi-chain peptides, this formula claims to support healthy collagen and improve circulation, especially around the delicate eye area. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The BODY FIRM Crepe Erase capsules are designed specifically for mature skin and target areas that show visible signs of aging, like the face, neck, and eyes. The key ingredients here are hyaluronic acid, famous for its ability to hydrate and plump the skin, and multi-chain peptides, which are touted for their ability to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Together, these ingredients are supposed to firm up crepey skin, give your skin a smoother appearance, and help with overall hydration. The formula also includes aloe vera, known for its soothing properties, making this product feel refreshing on the skin. In terms of application, these capsules are incredibly easy to use. I've been incorporating them into my evening skincare routine, applying the serum after cleansing, but before moisturizing. The texture is lightweight, and it absorbs into the skin fairly quickly, which is a plus if you're someone who doesn't want to wait around too long before moving on to the next step in your routine. When you first apply it, there's a slight cooling sensation, likely due to the aloe vera, and I found it to be quite soothing, especially around my eyes and neck. As for real-world testing, I used this product consistently for about 2 weeks, focusing on my neck and under eye areas where I tend to see the most signs of aging. Right away, I noticed that my skin felt more hydrated and plump, which I attribute to the hyaluronic acid. After about a week, I did see some minor smoothing in terms of fine lines, particularly around the eye area, which was a nice surprise. I didn't notice any irritation, and the scent is very light, mostly that fresh aloe vera aroma, which is soothing but not overwhelming. Now for the pros and cons. The biggest pro for me is how hydrating this product is. It delivers noticeable moisture without feeling greasy, and the hyaluronic acid really gives the skin that plump, dewy look. The cooling sensation is another nice touch. It feels like a little spa moment, especially around the eyes. I also like how easy it is to use. Just pop a capsule and go. On the flip side, the price might be a concern for some. While the product works, it's not the most budget-friendly option out there, and since the focus is on hydration and smoothing, the results may not be as dramatic for more severe concerns like deep wrinkles. The capsules themselves are convenient, but you're essentially paying for the individual servings, which might not be the most cost-effective for long-term use. As for value for money, I'd say if you're looking for something that will hydrate and smooth out fine lines with regular use, it's a good investment, especially if you're focused on preventing the signs of aging before they get too deep. However, if you're on a tighter budget or looking for more dramatic results, you might want to explore other options that offer similar benefits at a lower price point. Comparing this product to others on the market, you'll find that it's somewhat in the mid-range price-wise. There are other hyaluronic acid-based serums that are cheaper, but they might not have the multi-chain peptides or the targeted approach that this product offers. So if you're specifically targeting crepey skin or looking for something that's formulated for more mature skin, this could be worth considering. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, and the capsules are easy to pop open, though I do wish they were a bit more eco-friendly. The overall longevity of the product seems solid. If used consistently, I expect the 30 capsules to last a month, which is a decent time frame to see results. As for customer support, I've never had to reach out to the brand directly, but I've heard positive things about their responsiveness and the ease of getting replacement products if necessary. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other hydrating, anti-aging serums on the market that are more affordable but lack the targeted focus on crepey skin and neck areas. One product that comes to mind is The Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which is much more budget-friendly but lacks the added peptides. If you're looking for something with similar effects but at a lower price, this might be a good option. To wrap things up, the BODY FIRM Crepe Erase 4-in-1 Line Smoothing Capsules are a solid choice for anyone dealing with fine lines, wrinkles, or crepey skin, especially in the more delicate areas like the eyes and neck. They deliver hydration, a slight smoothing effect, and an overall refreshed feeling to the skin. If you're after deep anti-aging results or a more budget-friendly option, you might want to look elsewhere. But if you're targeting hydration and subtle line smoothing, this product does the job. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the BODY FIRM Crepe Erase capsules, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Your thoughts are always appreciated. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.